In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily view TikTok profile without them knowing. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up TikTok app and then go to your profile. Right here, next to these three lines icon, I have these two foods icon. I can just tap on it, and that will show me the users who have recently visited my profile. And then I can tap at this gear icon, and then if we want to be able to view TikTok profiles without them knowing, all we have to do is just turn off that switcher next to profile view history. In this case, if you look at someone else's profile, you won't be on that list on that user's profile page, but if someone sees your profile, you wouldn't know it either. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.